Were you raised in a barn?
Stitch this with your best burp to win a hundo. Okay, my turn. So someone said that my burp was weak sauce and to chug some soda. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. I think I'm gonna try to chug the whole thing. I don't think I can do it though. Fuck. No, wait. Let me do it again. That really hurt my nose, if I'm gonna be quite honest.
Take a bite.
We got it on video.
Take
another
a bite.
Burp, another burp.
Take a bite.
Cheers. Feels so good to burp even though I'm all dressed up and it's not ladylike. Ooh. That one had a little hiccup there. Ooh. These are kind of wet too. Ooh. It's been a long time coming with these.
Currently bloated as fuck at a family gathering in a bathroom. And I fucking have to burp. So, guess what's gonna happen? And yes, my pants are unzipped because I'm this fucking bloated. They might be used to it at this point, I don't know.
Sorry.
I'm currently bloated as fuck.
Cheers.
Cheers to you.
Sprite challenge. Have to drink the whole thing without burping. Okay.
She did it! She can't do it!
Would it intimidate you if your girlfriend burped louder than you? Would it? Or would you be grossed out? Like, is that gross? Let me know.